Do you feel stuck saying yes even when you want to say no? You're not broken. You just learn to people please to feel safe. Let's change that together. Tap with me now. This is EFT, Emotional Freedom Techniques. It helps to calm your nervous system and rewire the fear response in your brain. Just tap along and repeat after me, and there's no pressure to get it perfect. Even though I learned to people please in order to stay safe, I recognize I was just doing my best to survive. Even though I've often put others' needs before mine, I'm open to gently changing this pattern now. Even though I learned to people please in order to stay safe, I recognize I was just doing my best to survive. Even though I often put others' needs before mine, I'm open to gently changing this pattern now. I learned to keep the peace by hiding how I really felt. I didn't feel safe being honest. I feared rejection, criticism, or anger. So I stayed quiet and tried to be what others wanted. I thought I had to please others to be loved. And I pushed down my real needs. I still feel nervous when I try to speak up. But I want to believe it can be safe now. What if I could slowly let go of people-pleasing? What if I could feel safe saying no? It's okay to have needs. It's okay to honor my truth. I don't have to perform for love anymore. Love doesn't have to cost me my authenticity. I'm learning to feel safe being me. And that's a beautiful start. Even though I used to feel unsafe being myself, I honor how hard that was. And I'm open to slowly learning a new way where I can be honest and safe. And even though I learned that it was unsafe being myself, I honor how hard that was. And I'm open to slowly learning a new way where I can be honest and safe. Take a deep breath in and let it out slowly. And notice how your body feels right now. You're regulating your nervous system and you're changing your old beliefs one tap at a time.